Welcome to today's installment of Beaver on the Go. We've done math, we've done writing. Today, let's do a little science. So, you guys have been doing your basic needs and wants of insects. You've been talking about shelters and food and water and all the things an insect needs. So, today, we're going to talk about a little bit of the anatomy. How is an insect made up? So, what makes an insect? All insects. Doesn't matter what kind of an insect it is. All insects have these parts. They have to in order to be an insect. They have to have a head. They have to have a thorax. They have to have an abdomen. They have to have antenna. Usually two. You never know. You might find an insect who's lost an antenna. And all insects have 6 legs. Now, they may have lost a leg somewhere along the way, but they have 6 of them. Insects may have wings. Some insects have wings. Some insects do not have wings. Wings do not make an insect. These parts right here, head, thorax, abdomen, antenna, and legs, are what makes an insect. Now, over here, I have spiders are not insects. Take a minute, pause the video. Why, using this criteria, are spiders not an insect? So, why aren't spiders an insect? First thing, they don't have 6 legs. They have 8 legs. Spiders do not have antenna. Spiders do not have 3 body parts. Spiders have 2 body parts. Spiders belong to a group of animals known as arthropods. People like to confuse arthropods and insects, but they're very different species. Arthropods have segmented bodies, like an insect. What do I mean by segmented? They're in distinctive parts. Looking down here at my insect diagram, an insect has 3 body segments. An arthropod, like a spider, spiders, scorpions, some types of beetles, centipedes, millipedes, they have segmented bodies. They don't have 3 distinct body parts. Like spiders, they could have 2. Centipedes and millipedes have many more segmented body pieces. That is why spiders and their arthropod buddies are not insects. So, let's kind of dig in to these parts of an insect. So here I have an insect diagram. I have just their body parts here. No wings, no antenna. Oops, but I need to draw the antenna because that's an important part of the insect and it makes an insect an insect. So antenna, see there. So, insects have 3 body parts. Their head, their thorax, and their abdomen. So, head first, thorax in the middle, abdomen at the end. Each of them has distinctive functions. Their head holds their eyes, their antennas, and their brains. So, thoraxes. Thoraxes are important because that is where all 6 legs, and if they have wings, they'll be attached there as well. So if you look over here at my bee, I drew a more detailed insect. Here's my head with his eye, his antenna. We can't see his brain inside. I gave him a little smiley face just for fun. So I moved to his thorax. You can see both wings are attached here, and all 6 legs are attached at their thorax. It is also where the muscles in the whole insect attach so that the insect can move the way it does. And lastly is their abdomen. That, my friends, is where all their insides are. All their organs, their heart, all that stuff is down in their abdomen. Now, our bee, with its stinger, wasps with stingers, that'll be attached at the end of their abdomen. It's a part of their abdomen, not actually its own separate body part. So, that is a quick overview of what makes an insect and why spiders and all the other arthropods are not insects. In my second video today, I'm going to have a book called Some Bugs, and we're going to read that together, and I'm going to talk about why sometimes we use the word bug instead of the word insect. But that is it today for Beaver on the Go. I will see you in tomorrow's lesson.